In today's video, I will guide you on how you can crop videos on CapCut. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go here into CapCut, and then once you're here in your timeline, you want to select the footage that you'd want to crop, for example, this one. And now you want to navigate at the bottom and you want to search for the transform option. So it should be somewhere here, and here it is. So tap here on transform. And now when you tap on it, you would now have the mirror, rotate, and resize. So you want to select resize to crop. And now from here, you can crop your footage however you'd like. And then you could also go here at the settings. You could go for rotate if needed. Or you could also go for the presets in here for how you'd want to crop your footage just like that. So you could also click here on reset if you'd want to undo everything. And then you could also go for AI expand, but the clip needs to be less than 10 seconds for that to work. So yeah, these are your cropping options here in CapCut. Once you're satisfied with your crop, you can now tap here on the check icon on the top right. And that's it. You have now cropped your video here in CapCut. And that's it. So kindly leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.